Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add IDM, Internet Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and search IDM extension. Not showing in Chrome, and go to the first link. Scroll down and go to the link that is displayed in. Click it and click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and after the download is installed, you will see a pop-up page. Just click Close Page. Go to your extensions, and you can see IDM Integration Module has been successfully added. You can pin it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.